guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news, celebrity gossip. If you are someone who likes some gossip, this is definitely the channel for you. Guys, Mpumelelo Mseleko, we all know Mpumelelo Mseleko, indodana yaka Musa Mseleko, you know, Musa Mseleko, the polygamist. Yes, so that one. So Mpumelelo Mseleko posted a picture on Instagram. Eh? This picture, it was him and his dad, and then a third person. So kule picture the caption uthi a time, you know, and then it got people talking about Haibo. Why is he posting like this? Is Mseleko sick again? Or did something happen to him? And then when I check the comment section, Zanzi never disappoints. People are saying RIP Mtombeni, condolences to your family. Guys, do you guys think if this person we wouldn't, like, we would have known by now? Because he's such a big thing at the moment, you know. Yes, I know it's Tembu, like Dallas Corner from long ago, but he's the one that formally introduced it in Jegwema Screen's way too. So I don't think the media would be this quiet if something happened to him, you know. I'm just thinking maybe maybe he's back in hospital or in stress or something, but they are keeping it private. I'm sure they are shooting a new season. The season that is going to, I don't know if Sebaqalile or I don't know, but they are shooting a new season, so they want to keep things private until we see them really a season there. So now people sending about RIP comment section, guys. Hauba, muntu niyamfakela amapati, like niyamfakela amapati, shame, but we just wish he is well and okay, because we still want to watch the new season, you know. We still want to see what unfolds there, you know. We want to see Sana, because also there are rumors that we'll see in this new season. There are rumors kutwa the last wife uSamke Samke Kwela, kutwa Samke Kwela is allegedly pregnant, you know, with baby number 2. So we want to see this new season. Mseleko, please get well soon if you are not feeling well, or if it's stress. And I'm thinking maybe it's stress because sana sibonile last season uKai was going through the most, you know, even going to hospitals ngama-stroke. Kuthiwa nje i-stress, guys, i-stress yehlisa nomoya, niyamstressa lo baba. So I'm thinking maybe nje into ezinjalo, but abo-RIP, guys, no. Imagine him reading the comments kuleya post yomntanakhe abona u-RIP ukuthi nithi yena RIP ye. No, guys, I don't think it's that. But nje yasana kuthiwa ke allegedly uSamke Khwela is allegedly pregnant. And I'm saying allegedly because I don't want to be caught in the crossfire. But there are videos even lana on YouTube, even now, girl, you know, I think it's 2 months back now. She posted on Instagram, ne? She posted something like welcome to the world or finally or something like that, and then she deleted it like fast. So I think hey wena asiposti kungakaphumi season, delete that thing. But I'm excited for the new season, guys. Allegedly, as I have said, don't come for me in the comment section or something. Allegedly. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like, subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Bye.